I'm determined to learn a new creative medium every month, so let's go to a mosaic lamp making workshop. First, can't skip out on dinner. A few years ago, I had a stopover in Dubai and I wanted to buy one of these lamps to commemorate my time there, but I went on Eid and the souk was closed, so that didn't happen, but I was super excited when I heard about this workshop. The workshop was about 2.5 hours, and listen, if you're indecisive about your color theory like me, most of your time is going to be spent choosing your colors and holding it up to your phone flashlight to see what it would look like. While working on our lamps, we learned about their historical significance while drinking Turkish tea and eating Turkish delights.
If they don't drink tea, they're getting angry.
The tea was so good, but our workshop was in the evening, so 2 cups wasn't the best idea because my sleep schedule went out the window. We added beads to fill in the open sections between the larger mosaic and let each section dry so our designs wouldn't slip off. Our instructor gave us a preview of what it might look like on the lamps, but we are not done yet. After letting the glue cure for 2 days, the workshop emailed us instructions on how to grout at home. Grouting basically fills in all the empty spaces and diffuses the light to give your lamp a soft glow. After applying, scrubbing, and struggling to clean it by dunking it into my pot, my lamp is done. If you don't live in the New York, New Jersey area, don't worry, they have locations internationally, and if you want to save a little more, they also have take-home DIY kits.